Immaculate and amazing. There's no better way to describe this gorgeous home. Hello, I'm Realtor Leah Janikopoulos, and welcome to exceptional Glenmaura. Situated amongst a community of breathtaking homes sits this 5-bedroom, 5-bath beauty. Majestically perched on this well-groomed parcel, this home offers over 4,500 square feet of captivating living for you and your family to enjoy. The impressive 2-story entry includes this elegant wooden door with glass paneling and half-moon window above. This open space is further enhanced with crisp white molding and gleaming hardwood floors. An open wooden staircase is straight ahead. It's certainly a focal point in this bright and airy home. To the left, crown molding gracefully overlooks the formal dining room, which also includes hardwood flooring and a custom floor-to-ceiling window. And those meals you will enjoy with family and friends will be a blast to prepare in this well-appointed kitchen. Fine craftsmanship and high-end materials highlight this impeccable modern kitchen. It includes hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, granite countertop, custom cabinetry, tile backsplash, and so much more. A 2-story breakfast nook offers a stunning setting for those well-prepared meals. The family room is a fantastic place to enjoy time with family. It is highlighted by a stone-faced gas fireplace and floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing all of nature's beauty to be visible from inside this cozy and comfortable room. This room, currently being used as a den, would make the perfect wine room, or for those with younger children, would make a great playroom. And this half bath with granite completes this main level of this luxurious home. The grand staircase takes you to the 2nd floor and 4 bedrooms. Let's begin in the master suite. Double doors lead you into this massive room, complete with an attractive tray ceiling, recessed lighting, a sitting area, and a huge walk-in closet. A double-pane gas fireplace provides a warm glow in the bedroom and also here in the master bath. This delightful tiled bath features a high-angled ceiling, whirlpool tub, custom vanities with granite, and a soothing tiled rain shower. 3 additional bedrooms provide lots of options. This bedroom has a large closet and its own full bath with granite. These 2 bedrooms, which also have large closets as well, share this Jack and Jill bath. Granite tops are also included here. The 2nd floor also includes a laundry. This lower level offers 1,300 square feet of finished space. The lower level was designed as a comfortable entertainment area. Friends and family will certainly enjoy the expansive bar area. The family room is a great place to relax on the couch, watch a movie, or enjoy the warm flames on this granite-faced fireplace. And if you are looking to stay in shape, this fitness room is right for you. There is even a 5th bedroom here. Another full bath with shower, tile floors, and granite just adds to this exquisite home. A patio on the side of the home and in the rear gives you several vantage points to enjoy this rustic and peaceful property with mature landscaping. This home also features a 3-car garage. Glenmaura is a desired community close to everything you are looking for: shopping, entertainment, a water park, and skiing. And if you like to golf, you can't beat Glenmaura National Golf Course. And just remember, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Welcome home. Please give me or your listing broker, Sunita Arora, a call today for a personal tour of this wonderful Glenmaura home.